It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic. A kind of magic.
Well, hi guys, I'm Odyssey2 from uklockspot.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a KRYPTONITE padlock. It's, I think, a bit over 50mm. It's quite a chunky thing. There's the keyword. It's locked up. I do have a working key for it. Show you that in a second. Now on the back there is stamped 851134. What it means I do not know. Like I say, KRYPTONITE. Locked up, show you the key. So I hope you can see that. Put that to one side. I've picked this a few times before but never done it on camera. It's full of security pins, and the first one I can see there, the key pin, is a serrated. You're not going to be able to see that my autofocus on the camera, as I've said before, is abysmal. The tension is quite funny on this, so I'm using a flexi plus my custom pick and start at the back. Took a bit of time. It has gone quicker, but it's live on camera, so that's generally how it goes. So that's the KRYPTONITE. It's like a 50 or just over millimeter padlock, single pin picks. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, please come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.